the 5 by 9. You're also 59 years G. Thank you for another contact and another match. Okay, 9 Zulu 4, Foxtrot Echo, Kiraza. Delta Charlie, your call is Delta Charlie. What's your call? Mike 6 Sierra Echo Oscar. Mike Zulu Hotel. Bye, ciao, grazie, buona fortuna. Okay, 73, thank you. Hola.
Let's see, I'm not using any beam antenna myself, but my friend here, he is not here, but...
Uniform 0, Mexico, Zanzibar Hotel, calling QTH 20. Pues, mais 125 horas, Roger.
Ciao, een moment, hast du Gottes Willen, go ahead. Gary, cheers, bye-bye.
Whiskey Mike. Tante grazie per l'informazione, tu avete 7 vie con 50 watt. Va bene, tante grazie per il collegamento, Pierluigi 7. Italy Whiskey 8, Papa. Sitting at the moment in a van behind my antenna and all on a cornfield here from the field day activity from the local amateur radio club. And the signal report for you is very nice. You are loud here 10 dB over 9, 5 and 10 dB over 9, 6, so absolute no problem to copy your signal, over.
Victor, Florida 5, Lima, Delta Yankee.
Porque, vale, o sea, es en algunas palabras no te las no te las doy, no interpreto que.
Florida 5, Lima, Delta Yankee. Foxtrot 5, Lima, Delta.
Bestial service in Germany, France, England, Scotland, Wales, and got reports from all of them as how I was getting through. So it really is much better, over.
Okay, no worries. I look forward to your reply when I send you an email. No problem at all. 7-3, have a great evening, John. GI 0HWO M0XTA. 7-3, thank you.
I'm not that old. 7-3.
Yeah, someone else calling.
Yeah, just me, son. Evening, John. If you want a quick demo, it's
E01. It's supposed to be the proper scale.
it's easy to find a good spot like my doorstep.
QTX. Yankee, Lima 2, Golf Bravo. Yankee Lima. Yeah, I saw that as well. He wasn't getting on it.
Camera in space, but it is amazing. How long ago was it that
that long ago, really.
He's picking up a bit of RF and not liking it, but yeah, early days.
So there you are compared to 200 watts there. You're really up there.
Hear them, I don't know.
Anyway, with that, John, I will put it over to Lee, let him say his 73s, and if we don't catch you before, we'll try and catch you again next Sunday. So 73 for now there, John, and with that, I'll put it over to yourself there, Lee. 2D0, I've forgotten it. Lee, anyway, take it, go ahead. The presents were given, the candles were blown out, and the sugar beet shop.
The trace on that green.
I made one with a 555, I think.
Yeah.
That'd be great. I mean, one in a liner, that'd be brilliant. Tell you what, that liner 2 of yours looks, at least on the surface, in excellent condition. Yeah, that one is. It's very good, yeah. And I turned its friends down. I set it up on the spectrum analyzer, but I will replace the board in time. It wouldn't be the same without the sprog. Yeah, well, as Dave said, if I just keep moving, I won't cause too much grief, but I've got an 80-watt amplifier to put on it. Be all right, especially on SSP, nobody can understand it. And also, the repeaters all got subtone decode on the input, so they won't hear me.